Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak with butter. First, select a quality steak, ideally 1.5 inches thick or more. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a good sear. Then, season both sides liberally with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning, as much of it will form a delicious crust. This preparation sets the stage for a truly flavorful result. Next, heat a heavy-bottomed pan, preferably cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add a tablespoon of high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed oil, and let it get hot. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the pan. Sear it for 2 to 3 minutes per side, creating a beautiful, deep brown crust. This initial sear locks in the juices and develops incredible flavor on the exterior of your steak. Once seared, reduce the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pan, along with aromatics like smashed garlic cloves and fresh thyme sprigs. As the butter melts, tilt the pan slightly and use a spoon to continuously baste the steak with the flavorful butter. This process infuses the steak with rich, aromatic flavors and helps it cook evenly to your desired doneness. Continue basting for several minutes. Finally, remove the steak from the pan and place it on a cutting board. It's vital to let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the internal juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and juicy steak. After resting, slice the steak against the grain into desired portions. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly cooked, buttery steak.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.